Question number 8. A dome of a building is in a form of hemisphere. From the inside, it was whitewashed at a cost of 4989.60. If the cost of whitewash is 20 rupees square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome and volume of the air inside. So, in this question, we have given the cost spent on whitewashing and the cost or the rate of whitewashing per square meter. So it is given that for 20 rupees we get the whitewashing done on 1 meter square of area. So for 1 rupees we'll get it done on 1 by 20 meter square, and we have spent 4989.60 rupees for whitewashing, and that amount will give us the area is equals to 4989.6 divided by 20. So this will give us the inside surface area CSA is equals to 249.48 meter square. So this is the curved surface area. Now we need to calculate the volume of the air inside. Since we know the curved surface area of the hemisphere, we can find the radius, and after finding the radius we can find the volume of the air. CSA is equals to 2 pi r square, that is equals to 249.48. So by replacing the term we get r is equals to under root 249.48 divided by 2 into 22 by 7. So this will give us the value of r, that is equals to 6.3 meters. So now using the formula for volume, and volume is equals to volume is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we can again replace this 2 pi. We can also write it as CSA, that is 2 pi r square into r divided by 3. So our volume V is equals to CSA, that is 249.48 multiplied by 6.3 divided by 3. So our final volume will become 523.908 meter cube. This much amount of air is present inside the dome.